welcome to Poul's Kitchen. This is Chef Poul. Amy is with me today, however, she's in bed sleeping. Today we're going to do a quick video on chickpea. It's a Spanish chickpea breakfast. It's going to have some eggs, going to be really super healthy. So I've got 4 eggs, I got some garlic powder, some cheese, spice, black pepper, a little bit of lime juice. I got some Asian stir-fry sauce and some smoked paprika and onion powder. I got some bamboo shoots, a little bit of apple cider vinegar, some tomato paste. I got some ginger and garlic paste. First off, I'm going to heat my pan up. There's some oil in here, so we want to get that nice and hot. We're going to start off with our veggies. We got some green beans, some onions, and some water chestnuts that have been chopped up. And of course, a can of chickpeas that's been opened and rinsed and drained. You always want to drain them because it's always the best thing to do. So I got the heat going here, so I'm going to put the phone down for a second because I don't have anyone filming right at the moment. So I'm going to put this down. I'm going to put the veggies in. You can use a food processor if you're worried about the texture of onions, but you always want to have onions in pretty much anything if you can, because, well, they're really good for you. Now I'm going to add the bamboo shoots, and yeah, I do apologize. The camera's down. I'll show you in a second here. I'm going to have to put some in Tupperware later because I don't need as many as I have. So we got this heat up. I'm going to let this cook for a few minutes. Don't need to do anything dire major. I'm going to put a little bit of pepper in here. Pepper is always good. Yeah, this is not exactly a Spanish recipe per se, but it is a pretty good one at that though. I'm going to put a little apple cider vinegar. For us diabetics, it's a really good thing that actually helps us keep our blood sugars down. It does help. It's done great for me because this past season when I went to go get my A1C done, which I guess if you're not diabetic, you might consider that to be your grade card for your diabetes. So it's an important thing for us. But apple cider vinegar and chickpeas have done a lot of wonders for me. I'm going to put a little bit of lime juice in here. That part probably isn't as Spanish as what I'd like it to be, but hey, it works. It tastes good. I'm going to put some smoked paprika and onion powder in. I'm going to put a little bit of Asian stir-fry. For veggies, use whatever you have. Don't stress yourself out. Oh, like if you don't have the water chestnuts or bamboo shoots, don't worry about it. That's some garlic powder. And of course, before I forget, I'm going to put the phone down for a second. I'm going to put some ginger and garlic paste in here. It's not a perfect recipe by any means. I'm not trying to claim it is. But it should be a pretty filling breakfast. It should be really good. Should be really tasty. But you see, there's lots of good veggies in here. It's a little bit heavy, I'll give you that, but still it should be pretty good. So I'm going to put some chickpeas in here. A lot of these are going to have to go in Tupperware because I really don't need this many. So I'm going to spice things back up here a little bit. You need to give the chickpeas some time to cook, and they definitely want to have a little bit of flavor on there. And some more black pepper for the win for everything. I just like it. Notice I'm not using any salt. And you know what? And to be honest with you, it doesn't really matter if you have health issues or you don't. It really doesn't. And I'll be straightly honest about that. Not all of us have health issues, and I kind of hope if you're watching this, you can tell me you don't. But it's better to keep things at bay so you don't have health issues down the road. You always want to make sure that you're doing your best for your health now so that you don't have to worry about it later. As you cook this, you'll feel your veggies getting a little softer, and that's good. You want to give your chickpeas a little bit of a chance to soften up a little bit. So, about 5 minutes. So this should be good. It shouldn't be too bad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let you go for now, and I'll come back after this has been cooked a little longer, as we really don't want to keep you here for a full 5 minutes just watching me stir stuff. Especially how it's just me doing this and not having a camera person because it is pretty early in the morning. It's not even 7 o'clock yet. Amy's going to kill me because she's going to want to sleep a little bit, and she'll go back to bed after, but it is what it is. I'll be back. Okay, so we're back. So it's been a little bit of time here, 5 minutes. I'm cracking some eggs in here. Not necessarily the most fun job. Especially when I'm holding the camera. This is kind of a two-handed job. And yeah, it didn't make a big mess. So what we want to do here, now in the Spanish versions, the recipes I watch anyways, they don't break the eggs. They have it boiled over. They kind of, I don't know, it's kind of like an almost poach on top of it. That's what I should say. I'm not doing that. I want it to be incorporated right in. Now the one spice I said I was going to use and I haven't used yet is going in right now, and that's cheese spice. My parents gave this to me for Christmas. I'm running out of ideas what to use it for, but hey, maybe just some popcorn would be alright. I'm going to load this on here because cheese is always good, especially first thing in the morning. So we're going to give this a mix, and this is almost done. It doesn't take very long at all. It's going to be a really tasty breakfast, and it's healthy, and there's enough veggies in here and everything else that should give you a lot of extra energy. And watch us not cooperate, and of course it's not. It's tomato paste. Give me a second. If it was canned tomatoes or something like that, it would probably be a whole lot easier, but it isn't. It's tomato paste. So we're just going to give this a really good stir here. At least Amy can be a little happy that I didn't exactly give her a ton of dishes to do first thing in the morning. Or maybe I'll get lucky and I'll get in the mood and I'll do them for her before she realizes that they're done. But we'll see. She's usually pretty quick at them, and I let them sit for a few minutes. I'm proud of Amy and my wife. Unlike some other people I know just let things go to their head too much, we've lost a lot of weight. Whereas some people just act like they're so self-pretentious, and Amy got assaulted some time ago by somebody we considered friends, and we've got a good sense of revenge on them already, but just love the biggest sense of revenge on them is the fact that we succeeded and they failed. I love how we lost the weight, feeling the best of our lives and doing the best of our lives while they can sit and, wallow and can't figure out what they've done wrong. But it is what it is, folks. Maybe they'll watch this and they'll see that. I don't know, and I don't care. But we're going to soak this for a few minutes. Now, if you want the tomato paste to be a little runny, maybe use canned tomatoes instead. Maybe add a little bit of water. Should be all right. Last thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some more pepper on there. Amy's going to have a little bit of surprise in hers. Her dish is going to have some of her favorite flavoring in it. You'll know exactly what that is, because I'm sure she'll post that all over everywhere is what happened. But this is going to be a really super healthy breakfast, and get a bowl out here. And there we go. That is our chickpea stir-fried egg and breakfast this morning. So please hit the like, share, subscribe button. We appreciate your patronage. You guys have a great day. Please stay healthy.